Today I'm just gonna do a sound test of the Blue Snowball versus the MacBook Air internal mic. I don't know what else to say, but let's get into it. This is a test of the MacBook Air microphone. I am talking right now. This is a test of the Blue Snowball in cardioid capsule mode. This is a test of the Blue Snowball in cardioid capsule mode minus 10 dB, also known as mode 2. This is a test of the Blue Snowball in omnidirectional mode, also known as mode 3. So overall, I feel it's an upgrade to the MacBook Air mic, but overall, for its price, it's not that bad. But yeah, guys, sorry it was such a short video, but don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, guys, peace.